welcome to my YouTube channel. Now today we study class 10th NCERT board chapter 8 example number 4. Question is given that in a right angle triangle ABC right angled at B, then if tan A equal to 1, then verify that. Example number 4. Question is given that in a right angle triangle ABC right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1, then verify that 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 1. 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 1. Here it is given that ABC is a right angle triangle at point B and tan A is equal to 1. Now we know that tan theta is equal to P by B, perpendicular upon base. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base is equal to 1. 1 by 1. We know we write 1 upon 1. Here perpendicular is 1 and base is 1. We draw a triangle, right angle triangle ABC right angled at B. Here perpendicular right angled at B with respect to angle A. With respect to angle A, base is equal to 1 and perpendicular is equal to 1. Hypotenuse is unknown. Now first we find the hypotenuse of this triangle by using PGT theorem. We find AC by using PGT. We know that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse is given that h square is equal to, hypotenuse is AC square equal to base BC AB square plus BC square. AC is unknown. AC square is equal to AB is 1 square plus 1 square. AC square is equal to 1 plus 1. AC is equal to, this square will be transferred from left side to right side and become square root. So square root of 2. AC will be square root of 2. Now we find sin A and cos A. Sin A is equal to P by H, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. We observe that here with respect to A, perpendicular will be BC and base will be 1 and hypotenuse be root 2. So sin A is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular, that means 1 upon hypotenuse is root 2. cos A base upon hypotenuse. Here base will be 1 and hypotenuse will be root 2. 1 by root 2. Now we put these value in given question. So 2 into sin A. Sin A will be 1 by 2. Sin A equal to 1 by root 2. Sorry. Multiply cos A. Cos A is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 equal to 1. This becomes 2 multiply 1 into 1 1 and root 2 multiply by root 2. This becomes root 2 whole square, and this square will be cancelled to this root, so it becomes only 2. 2 cut out 2 and become 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Hence proved 2 sin A into cos A equal to 1. Thank you.